just about what Delmont will give you. He's an unstable character and has a very checkered past.
I know about that.
Well, do you know about this strange, obsessive eye for beauty? How he's been known to follow a normal-looking woman around all day and all night because he finds the mere shape of her elbow exotic or beautiful. Or perhaps he finds the texture of her lips to be unusually soft or smooth. You don't want anything to do with him. He's not right. He's obsessed. What in the world is keeping Con now? She must be up there crying. I'm gonna go check on her.
All right. Yeah, she is.
Where's Elaine?
She's getting Carmel.
Oh.
Are you writing poems?
What?
Carmel says you write poems.
Oh. Well, on occasion I have.
I like to read them.
They're personal.
Oh. Of course, there weren't all that many poem books I read before. Most books I got off the traveling book mobile was about animals. Farm animals, Arctic animals, jungle animals, and such. Of course, they was informative. I learned something they call a gaggle of geese, a pride of wine, a warren rabbit, a host of whales. That's my personal favorite one, a host of whales. Carmel says she can wiggle your ears.
Oh, does she?
Yes,
Well, it's an old trick.
I like to have seen it.
I don't do it anymore.
Oh, what do you dream about at night?
Why do you ask?
I don't know, your face looks tired. I thought maybe you was having bad dreams.
What are you saying? You make me uncomfortable. A gaggle of geese? What's that? What are you talking about? Oh, this whole night has been unbearable. Oh, now the ice cream's getting me. A gaggle of geese? Oh, my head, my head.